Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to model monitoring with AWS CloudWatch and SageMaker, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Navigate to the Amazon SageMaker dashboard.
Select the Model Monitor option from the left-hand menu. Click on Create Monitoring Schedule to start the process.
Choose your existing model by selecting it from the list. Specify the endpoint where your model is deployed.
Set the frequency at which you want the monitoring job to run. Fill in the monitoring output settings, including the S3 bucket where results will be stored. Configure the Monitoring Constraints section to define the metrics you want to monitor.
Choose the appropriate statistical thresholds for alerting.
Next, move to the Data Capture settings to enable data logging for your model. Select the types of data you want to capture, such as input and output data.
Proceed to configure notifications by clicking on Create an SNS topic. Enter a name for your SNS topic and add the email. Ensure to confirm subscriptions from these email addresses through the verification email sent by AWS. Once done, return to the monitoring schedule creation page.
Review your configuration settings carefully before proceeding. Click on the Create Schedule button to finalize the setup. After the schedule is created, navigate back to CloudWatch to set up alarms.
In the CloudWatch dashboard, select Alarms from the left menu.
Click on the Create Alarm button to begin this process. Choose the Select Metric option and find the SageMaker metrics you want to monitor. Define your alarm conditions based on the thresholds set in your monitoring schedule. Set up notification actions that specify which SNS topic will receive alerts.
Review your alarm settings, then click on Create Alarm to activate it.
With this, you have successfully configured model monitoring using AWS CloudWatch and SageMaker. Now, your model will be actively monitored, and alerts will be sent based on the specified conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.